Hello friends, you are watching Mathematics channel Number Collage. Today we will discuss curated and most repeated previous year questions of JEE Main Mathematics to help you prepare and keep you on the study track for JEE Main 2026-27. Let us discuss a consistently repeated PYQ of 2022-21 on limits and continuity. This is a question on continuity of a piecewise function at a point. Function fx is defined differently in different domains and it is continuous at x equals 0. We have to find out e power a into bc. The function is given to be continuous at x equals 0. So we can use the fact that left hand limit equals right hand limit as x tends to 0 equals f0. So first left hand limit as x tends to 0 negative 1 plus ax power 1 by x. This is an indeterminate form of the type 1 power infinity. We have the standard identity limit x tends to 0, 1 plus gx power 1 by hx equals e power limit gx upon hx as x tends to 0. Accordingly, left hand limit will be e power limit as x tends to 0 of ax upon x, which will be after cancelling x e power minus of minus a e power a. Since it is given that f0 equals 1 plus b, here we can write e power a equals 1 plus b. Let us remember this. Next we will try to obtain c. For that we will use right hand limit as x tends to 0 positive x plus 4 power half minus 2 upon x plus c power 1/3 minus 2. This part when x is positive. Now here as x tends to 0, numerator tends to 0, and for the limit to exist and to be a finite real value, the denominator must also approach to 0 so that it becomes a 0 upon 0 indeterminate form. So taking limit of the denominator, limit x plus c power 1/3 minus 2 as x tends to 0 equals 0, c power 1/3 minus 2 equals 0. That gives c power 1/3 equals 2, c equals 8. Let us circle this. Now we will use c equals 8 in the right hand limit, which will become limit as x tends to 0 positive x plus 4 power half minus 2 upon x plus 8 in place of c power 1/3 minus 2. This is 0 upon 0 indeterminate form. So by L'Hopital's rule, right hand limit will be limit as x tends to 0 positive derivative of numerator half x plus 4 power half minus 1 minus half upon 1/3 x plus 8 1/3 minus 1 minus 2/3. Taking limits, half into 4 power minus half is 1 upon 2 upon 1/3 into 8 power minus 2/3 is cube root of a 2 power minus 2 1/4 upon 1/3 into 1/4 1/4 upon 1 upon 12 3. So right hand limit is 3. It is given that function is continuous at x equals 0, which means left hand limit equals right hand limit equals f0. Left hand limit is e power a equals right hand limit, this 3 equals f0, this 1 plus b that we write here. This gives b equals 3 minus 1 2. So we got all the three quantities. Now we evaluate e power a into bc. 1 plus b, b is 2, into B, which is 2, into C, 8, 48. Hence, the correct answer option here is C, 48. This one here. Friends, if you really think you have learned and understood something new today, please like, share, and subscribe this channel. See you in the next video. Until then, keep watching Number Collage. Thank you.